Nicola Kwebe me the count Premier Ewenyigba TV Jegba consider gbe. Egba na me akwe Madam Adele Nyepa Haji enye Lady Elisabeth Segbenu Agah nye the newly elected PC for NPP le Safton Amatian Tome Echovayiko. Ta egba mi hon chocho de kave cho egbo kokude ale ekodadala koyi enwu. Madam, congratulations.
Thank you.
Moku echopa kwa kene oda yo select alo elect as a newly PCR. Ever now as a surprise alo many surprise now.
Madam kuanya surprise pa no.
Okay, alaka kuanya surprise now.
Na madak bana mau be akpala munye. Yema toma, yema doji. Madak bana nye team members so kata nye pomoto, nye family and friends so kata. And we na no nye surprise nye be nakpo maji vala percentage is really huge. I mean makpo 536. Yefo nye opponent ekpo 191. Down you can imagine it was really a surprise to me.
And how many percentage wise?
We are talking about 80. Yes, 80 point something percent.
Okay, that is really great. Moku, lemaka biaha challenges came when to ena akola dada.
You know, like when it comes to politics, we perceive it as to be men-dominated profession. Ta nenya nyanu ya gala politics ma mala bobo declamed ahinyinyi. I mean like sabotage and discriminating and intimidation. Ella politics ma towards women. Pata mano bobo kura gake madakpe na ma be matentomado.
Okay. Ta ope first time in here was Zigbanto ni anele gagende akola dadala malo eva ipo afi.
Madeku 4 years ago me magalama by then Honorable Ahaji and Honorable Innocent Tete Miklo ye competition kafi Honorable Ahaji Aduji.
Okay. So far amechicho na wogombe nchu Donaldoda ngbe kakere avanye nyonu ejide polasi obe $80 oga
tatanya akpe no odo nchu dodo la me atan odo yodo na jivi sugbo nya viwo ki atan pudu ame akura gba ta I'm prepared for it. It's something that I want to do. Makwe Kanemi Duji 2020 yo here be was select DC municipal executive for la me apply for it. I went to vetting. We were 17 and out of the 17 I was among the best 4 to be selected for Jubilee to vet. Okay. And out of that I was among the best 2. Kafi Ovakwen Honorable Set Agbi. It's something that I really prepare myself for, and I know I can do it. Let my own come.
Okay. As Safton to mafia nye NDC strongholds. Jide pokelasio, but it is the organ NPP.
Akbano. Yes. We will say that Safton is a stronghold for NDC, but gradually NPP is taking root in voter region. For that matter, Safton, anytime we vote, our percentage increases. It doesn't decrease. In 1 or 2 instances, yes. But recently, you could see that we are increasing our votes. And I must tell you, the NDC candidate is new. And NPP candidate, I'm also new. So the 2 of us, we are going to the battlefield. And I'm sure I'll win it. Let me tell you, you know, when it comes to MPP, we are known for policy. And recently I said that politics now is serious brain work, which have more to do with agenda than gender. Get it?
My professional teacher in here. How will you combine teaching profession politics?
Thank you very much. As you are aware, I teach at Dodowa Technical Institute at Agomeda. At Dodowa, first I was at Agomeda before getting transferred to Dodowa Technical. I teach social studies at Dodowa Technical Institute, and as a teacher, the first thing you must learn is management. So I know very well. I can manage it. I can manage the two very well. Thank you.
Okay, but how possible can you convince our viewers? Yes, that it is possible. You being a MP and then a teacher or a professional teacher, you combine the two.
You know, the general election will be in 2024. So I have some few months to work towards that, and I'm sure I can manage the two. Yes.
Okay.
I can manage.
Okay.
Bear in mind that politics is seasonal, and teaching too is seasonal. When I say seasonal, with the teaching, you have holidays. Saturdays, Sundays, we don't go to the classroom. I can use that to pay attention to my people on the ground in South Tongu. Thank you very much. Yes, so far I have 6 adopted children. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, all right. So far, newly PC elect for NPP in South Tongu Constituency. That even call you and sir. Madam, akpe no le obo eyi ya neglem.
Akpe matomo eji na madakpe na amasiam, especially the delegates. They are the kingmakers. Efiedola, police station executive, constituency executive, regional executive, national executive. And let me tell my people at South Tongu that it is possible that we will break the 8, and it is possible that we will have a female as MP for South Tongu. Thank you very much.